Hey guys, good morning. I woke up about 2 hours ago. So for today, or for this video, we're just going to be spending my day with me. So one thing I had to do today was go to school to meet the administrators, to tell them and ask them why I don't have a supervisor till now, and make sure they give me a supervisor before I leave school today. Because I was planning, they will always say these blacks are arrogant or whatever, but like my tuition, for that amount of tuition I'm paying, they don't have to stress me up. But then I got an email and I think everything is sorted out. We're going to spend the rest of my day together. So today, the things I have left to do, I have to arrange my room. Let me just show you around my room. So this is my table. I have my sewing machine and some sewing project I haven't completed. I was supposed to complete this last week, but for some reason I did not. And this is like the receipt of the laptop I bought and where it was packed. I just have to arrange stuff. This is the second table, which is like the table for my roommate. I have to remove my stuff from this section. Actually, I was using this is the section I was using. But when my former roommate left, I decided to transfer to her section and keep this section clean for the new roommate. So I would have to remove my stuff, like my label that I use when I'm doing my photo shoot for my brand. I'd have to remove it. Remove this small flower I just kept here. I don't know why I kept it there. And this is the bed. I still have my stuff. That's like a small tote bag. And this is like one bed sheet. And some stuff are still like up there. So I'll just have to remove it. But her cupboard is empty. I already emptied her cupboard. So I have nothing to do here. So basically, what I have to clear up from this space is from the bed, the table, and these shelves. And my section, this is my own section of the cupboard. And this is like my dress form, jacket, a dress I haven't completed because I just ordered the accessories for that dress. So I'm still waiting for the accessories before I complete it. And yeah, I have to do some laundry too. I have like a few stuff to wash. And that's like the packaging for my laptop. I have to clear it up. Yeah, after arranging this room, I planned on going to school, which has been cancelled. Upon leaving school, I was thinking of going to Prisma. I have like a coupon, 10 euro coupon from Prisma. Actually, it was given to me in church, like where I attend service. Like if it's your birth month, at the end of the month, they give you a 10 euro Prisma coupon card. So I was planning on taking that coupon card because it has been with me like the whole of July and August. Oh my god, how come today is like 23rd and the milk has already expired? I have to rush to buy some milk. It's corded. I don't understand. Today is 23rd. It's supposed to expire like tomorrow. Like I could use it just today. This is bad. I'll just keep this cornflakes here. I'll eat it when I come back. Right now, I'll just do some bread and eggs.
Fast, slow, why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High, low, shouldn't be this stock broke. Shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me. Snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward? Bust down that door, playing all my cards now. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time
Originally, I wanted to wear this skirt which is made of this tribal fabric from Cameroon. I've had this skirt for about 4 to 5 years, and I wanted to pair it with this white top, but the skirt did not zip up, so I did not wear it again. And I wanted to wear it with these black shoes, but finally I wore a 2-piece top and trousers with sneakers. So guys, I just came back from Prisma, and these are the things I bought for the 10 euro coupon card. I bought this juice. I went there, I could not even find things I needed or things I wanted. I just started to buy random stuff because that coupon has really been in my place for a long time, and I'm like, what will I do with this thing? I never really needed it, I never expected it, so I've been thinking about it like for 2 months on what to get, and I went to Prisma and I could not really find stuff. The milk I wanted to buy, it was not there, so I'll only have to buy it at Lidl some other time. But these are the stuffs I got. I just bought random stuff. There are times I sit at home and I crave juice. I saw Capri Sun. I was like, okay, let me buy the Capri Sun that Nigerians are all about. I got it. I got 2. These were like 99 cents. I think it's the only thing I can recall its price because this was the last thing I got. I got condensed milk. It's like I don't know how to explain how it is. Probably when I'll be using it someday, you guys will see how it looks like. I bought ice cream. It's already melting out. It's been like out here. I'll put it in my freezer. I got bouillon cubes. These were very cheap. They are just like six inside. I just got it because I wanted to finish up the money. I got this. They are like 2. It's this menthol chewing gum kind of stuff for fresh breath or stuff. I just like having it during school days. Like now it's break, I don't really use it, but during school days I always like having it in my bag. I don't know why I prefer it during school days and not during break. These are the stuffs I got too. Altogether this was like 12.30 € for just these things. What have I see? I gave my coupon card and the lady completed and I saw 12.30 €. So eventually I paid 2.30 € after giving the card.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
I'm just going to sweep the room now because I'm done like with all the arrangements. So this is what the room is looking like. My table is organized as I can see. I have my cornflakes there, which I did not eat in the morning because I never had milk. And unfortunately, I did not see the milk I needed at Prisma. I just called a friend of mine who does bulk delivery, that if he gets to Lidl at any point in time today, he can help me buy the milk. I sent him a picture of what I want. This is my roommate's bed. That's my second phone. I just have to remove it from there. And that bag on the floor, it's laundry I have to go and do now. And my bed and stuff. I just have my laptop on the bed, and this receipt I'll just pick it up and keep where I keep papers and documents and books. And I still have this section of the cupboard to completely remove those stuff. So guys, I'm done arranging the room. As you can see, like everything is in place. So right now I'm very hungry. I want to boil some rice. I have some stew in the fridge, so I just want to boil some rice. It's gizzard sauce, so I'll just boil some rice while I set up my laptop to start studying.
Okay, so there are many issues one need to consider when you are having a biomaterial, because the material is kept inside the body, whether it is for a short period of time or a very long period of time. So the material has to be biocompatible. What does this biocompatible mean? So when a foreign material is placed inside the body, it should perform its duty within that host for the particular application, okay? And it should be compatible. It should not be causing any toxicity or any harm to the host. Okay, so if I keep a cardiovascular stent, it should not cause inflammation. It should not cause any other adverse reaction, which may lead into a rejection of the patient.
If there's a light in front of me, I swear that I can't see it anymore. When will I find my way back home? In the thick of a crisis, I keep searching, keep trying. The fear of the unknown is blinding. And one day